Hey family, did you know there is no perfect age or time to start a business? Whether you are a student, a stay-at-home mom, or even in your 50s or 60s, you can build something of your own. As I take care of my skin tonight, let's talk about something very important. Many people believe you need the perfect moment to start a business, but that's a lie. You don't need a huge investment and you don't need to quit your job. You just need to start. And in today's digital world, anyone can build something from anywhere, whether you are working, studying, or taking care of the family. Many of us immigrants, life abroad is not what people think. The struggles, the pressure, the responsibilities, it is not just a dream life. That's why having a digital business is so powerful. It gives you control over your income. Instead of waiting for opportunities, you create them. Sometimes most of us spend hours scrolling through social media, but what if you could use that same time to build a business? AI and social media aren't just for fun, they are tools to help you grow and earn from anywhere. The question is, are you using them wisely? If you have been thinking about starting your own business but don't know where to begin, let's connect. The link to my site is in my description. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Use social media for growth, not just for scrolling. Drop a comment if you are ready to start your own business. Let's build something together, and don't forget to like, share, and follow for more insights. Bye for now.